today. We shall throw our praise above. The words cannot express what action will confess. Our very best we'll give to thee. From our hearts we shall sing and our praise will give as we honor our school today. Oh, come rebellion for alma mater, sing her praise to the sky. Her aspirations, her loyal standard, be forever sung on high. We will pray every day for our lasting memory. We will hope that the years will bring constant victory. Still singing of lofty tower, of lasting powers, we'll give praise forever to thee. Oh, come rebellion